I'm building a rock, a cliff, with this special glass called petrified wood, and it has a lot of silver in it, so it's going to turn quite different than what it looks like here.
So what are you brushing on to the glass
This
there?
is a glass enamel, and a lot of people are doing a lot of intricate painting with enamel on glass. I use it to add texture, like to the trees. This is to add a little definition to this kind of basalty wall I'm building here. So the color on these trees, it's some of that enamel. The variation, some of the color on these rocks is enamel. So I can use powdered grit, or I can use some of the enamel paint to help add texture to the work. In the final stages of completing this piece before it goes into the kiln, I have probably 7 layers of glass in here. There's clear glass in between, there's sheet glass, there's glass strips, and lots of frit. What I'm going to do next is pull some stringers with a torch, and I've painted some strips of glass. These will be laid on top, they'll become trees, and then I will finish the piece with clear, chunky frit, and it'll be ready for the kiln. Now I'm pulling these, kind of imagining what kind of tree it's going to be. I will break them up and make branches out of these, and then I will add some leaves, which will be frit, and then finish it up with clear frit on the top. It'll be ready for the kiln, and we'll see what it looks like tomorrow.